Hello everyone, we are Team Electricity Saver. I'm Abhay.
I am Bhuvan.
And I'm Preetham.
We are from grade 9, Excel Public School, Kurgali, Mysore.
The theme we have chosen is Environment and Climate Sustainability. Our problem statement is solutions to make every citizen in India adopt an environmental conscious lifestyle.
Electricity is the most needed thing in this modern era. Every day we use electrical energy to operate various electrical based appliances, which make our life simpler. The world's electricity consumption has continuously grown over the past half century, reaching approximately 25,300 terawatt hours in 2021. Between 1980 and 2021, electricity consumption has more than tripled, while the global population increased by roughly 75%. Growth in industrialization and electricity access across the globe have further boosted electricity demand.
Although electricity is a clean and relatively safe form of energy when it's used, the generation and transmission of electricity affects the environment. Nearly all types of electric power plants have an effect on the environment, but some power plants have larger effects than others. High electricity demand often results in higher costs for power generation and electricity transmission, which are passed on to customers in their utility bills.
The main purpose of conducting the primary research was to gain insights about the public demand and use of a service. Conducting this research helped us understand the product market fit and viability of our service. We sent out a form for people to answer. It was circulated among residents of 2 apartments. The form consisted questions whose answer would help us project the potential use of the service.
After going through the primary and secondary research, these are the problems we came across.
To address these problems, we at Electricity Saver have developed an app where everybody can track their electricity consumption in real time. They can see where they stand in terms of electricity consumption in their society. Provisions to track and pay bills has also been incorporated. Rewards and incentive for people who practice energy saving methods will be added.
The main function of the app is to help users reduce electricity consumption. The users need to sign up to use the service. Upon signing up, a unique profile is created for each user. When the users sign in, they are navigated to the home page where they can view their current electricity bill status and their position in the societal leaderboard. Statistics of the consumption details of the past 6 months can also be viewed.
This app was created with the help of MIT App Inventor and Google Firebase. The other resources used are Canva for UI and UX design and Firebase Authenticator for secure login for users. I conducted the research and authored the research document. I also helped design the app.
I worked on the app and its functionality as well as the research.
I created the wireframe to visualize the UI UX design.
Thank you.